Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure Camtel mobile data on any Android phone here in Cameroon. So if your Camtel SIM card is not connecting to the internet, don't worry, just follow these simple steps and you'll be online in minutes. Let's get started. Now open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Network and Internet. On some phones, it may be called Connections. Next, tap on Mobile Network. Now scroll and tap on Advanced. Now select Access Point Names, also known as APN. Here you need to create a new APN. Look for the plus icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Now enter the following settings, carefully small letters. Name Camtel APN. Camtel, go to username, and still type Camtel. Scroll down to Authentication type and choose PAP and CHAP for network stability. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select Save. After saving, make sure you select the newly created Camtel APN so it becomes active. Now your data connection will appear above if it is on. If not, go and turn it on. And that's it. Your Camtel internet should now be working perfectly. If it still doesn't connect, try restarting your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.